Let me show you how to make this text portrait effect on Photoshop. First, open your image. Then make sure it is unlock and rename it to whatever you want. Now let's make a copy of it by press Ctrl J, then go to Filter and choose Blur and click on Gaussian Blur. Then make its radius 10. Now go to File and click on Save As and save it as a Photoshop file. Now let's delete our copy layer. Then let's insert our text. Rescale it accordingly. Then go to Filter and choose Distort and click on Displace. Then follow this setting and click OK. Now click on our Photoshop file which we saved and click Open. Click on Women layer and go to Adjustment option and click on Solid Color. Then choose Black Color and drag Solid Color layer to the bottom. And drag our Women layer at the top. Then right-click on it and click on Create a Clipping Mask. Then make a copy by press Ctrl J. Now hold Alt and click on Mask to create an inverted mask. Then go to Brush. Make its foreground color white. Change its flow to 30% and choose Soft Round Brush. Now follow this process. And yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.